And our crew's coming in on approach. He's kind of heading toward the trees, though. A little bit of a funky angle. Kind of brake checks it out. That's interesting. There's not a whole lot of steering going on as he's turning the wheels. I wonder if they're having an issue of some kind. So he's going to leave the helm and go down into the console. But they are just drifting over toward the trees. Well, I just heard him restart the motor, though, so I'm assuming he killed the battery switch to try and possibly reset something. It looked like he didn't like something with the steering. Maybe he's got electronic steering on this boat. I'm not 100% sure, but let me know in the comments what you think it was. I mean, obviously, he started back up, and he's moving now, but I'm just assuming he went to the console, turned the batteries off, I guess, and turned them back on to get it going again. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you think that might be. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th Street, Pelican Harbor. And our guys in on approach, taking it easy. And, I mean, I'm trying to see if the motors went back out on him again. No, they're on. He's good to go. Nudge it right up to the side. Easy peasy lemon squeezy on this one, and he'll get it done. So our crew's been trying this for a little while now. They're on about minute 4 of trying to get this boat back down the dock. And again, we're going kind of the wrong direction. There we go. They're getting the car turned in the right direction, but I think they're too far over. There we go. We'll move forward, hopefully, and get this one straightened back out. I'm actually really surprised they stopped right there. They probably could have went a whole lot further forward on this one because they're still kind of in an off angle. But they're coming back. Got the wheel turned hard, but still, I feel like they're way too far away from the dock here. Be able to get this all the way back over and get it done, but they're going to give it the shot. And it looks like they're dragging carpet from the bunks as well as they're doing this. The trailer, it seems like, has seen some better days. So we've got that fully turned. They're getting it back around. And this may work for them, and they got it lined up, actually. So our crew that struggled to get it down winds up hitting the dock. Unfortunately, we're a little late to the game as we pulled our camera off of them, but man, they were right on top of it, wound up backing into it, hitting the dock with the motor. Oh, man. After the adventure of them getting it off the trailer even, it took them quite some time just to do that part. So, boat comes in right behind him. Stern's kind of drifting out, bow heading in. And our guy kicks it off. There we go. 2 lines on. Should be good. So this crew's pulling out, but they put the inflatable on the bow of the boat. That's not a good idea right there. I mean, you're definitely going to have some limited vision. And, I mean, I guess they've got it strapped down good enough where they feel like it's not going anywhere. Our guy in the bow up here is definitely testing it like, yeah, I don't know about this one. But they're going to leave like that anyway. So Cap's coming in on approach. Got Wifey in the bow on the ready to help out. We've got the ladder down in the water. Let's see if we can avoid the prop hitting that. So he's picked his dock, and here we go. We're gonna get it started. So heading in on approach. Decent pace. Not a bad angle right now either. Kind of turns in just a little early. And that's going to have the bow come around on him. So he catches it, steers back into it a little bit to try and get the bow back over. But they're kind of far off the dock at this point. This is not the best angle. Looked good at the beginning, and then it just kind of slid off. So here we go. We're going to turn the bow back in, go heavy bow in. Wifey, oh my! Wifey nails the line toss on the first attempt. She just tossed it out there, hooked up, good to go, and pulls him right in. I mean, Cap's even killed the motor, I think. And there he goes. He's got the boat hook. This crew is on the ready. I can't believe she landed that line toss. I mean, they weren't even close. And she just went for distance on the toss and winds up reeling it in. So Cap went for the reach on the boat hook and couldn't quite reach. So he's come back over, started the engine again, and is going to try and power back around. I don't know why Wifey doesn't just go off the bow, though, and just walk it over. So she's going to hang on. Cap tries to bring it back around. So there we go. Finally the reverse catches. And he goes for the line. And they'll get it pulled over. And our crew's coming in on approach. Taking the nice slow roll approach, trying to line it up. Things have calmed down here at the end of the day. When I say calm down, it's still busy down here, but if you look in the distance, the trees aren't blowing too heavy, so people are having a little easier time now as they're trying to approach these docks. So they come in, our first young lady goes for the toss. And our second young lady goes for the toss as well, but misses on her end. And now she's kind of giving a weak effort at the toss. Cap's going to leave the helm on this one. And I think she's going to try and go up there onto the dock to grab her line as well. There we go. But at least she's a closer. I mean, with the effort she was giving, I was like, maybe not. But here we go. Now she pulls it in a little hot. They got to push it off. But they'll be good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.